What is up? Half Baked Beard here, and today we have with us
Kadance.
And we've got beard mail from the Chronic Beard Care. My buddy Chronic Mike over there. I actually won this off of big shout out to D's Baba Beard and Motivation Dave. Thanks a bunch. I was on. Oh boy. Got that, Chronic. I was actually jumped on the other night, and he was doing a giveaway. Just so happened to be from Chronic Mike, and this was a scent that he made with Mr. Good Old Twitch, and they were doing a special scent for breast cancer.
He's actually, I want to figure it out, so he's not going to say it until I actually think.
Mike has definitely just been stepping his game up. He's got some really great things in the works. Look at this cool bottle. Let's see if we can't get this.
It smells really citrusy, like orange.
Almost. That's okay, whatever. Of course, this oil's beautiful, but it has hemp seed, jojoba, sweet almond fragrance, essential oils, and vitamin E. Made in the USA. Merc, baby.
Something just popped. The scent just popped up in my face, in my head.
I love his old restrictors, huh? Oh yeah. His is always a little more on the thick side, but not like super thick.
So at the very beginning, I thought we were getting a cotton candy scent.
No, it's not cotton candy.
I think I know what it is.
What do you think?
Orange Cremesicle.
That is correct. That's because you read it.
No, I kept it down here.
All right. Orange Cremesicle.
Now
And of course, this cool little butter, and then if you haven't seen his butter is just amazing. I mean, this stuff is just delicious. It's literally some of my favorite, if not my favorite butter, is the Chronic Mike's butter.
I'm going to read the ingredients.
All right, read it. Read the butter ingredients, and then we'll go.
Hemp seed butter, jojoba butter, sweet almond butter, fragrance, essential oils, and vitamin E.
Yes. All right.
This.
Let's go all the way. Awesome. Well, thank you, Dave. Thank you, Mike. That's cool. It's got the little cancer awareness.
Hey guys, guess what?
On there.
Guess
Sweet.
What? It's snowing outside.
Yep.
And my dad has to drive to Oregon.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Have a great day. Remember, stay baked and stay bearded.
Subscribe to all of us on social media. We have Instagram. We are on Facebook. And we don't look for us there, okay?
Have a good day.
Oh, and